Apple cider vinegar is packed with medicinal properties, which explains why it has become a popular home remedy for millions of people around the world over recent years. With that said, millions of people are unaware that it can actually help improve your blood fat levels. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Apple cider vinegar is high in a compound known as acetic acid. This is a good thing because it can actually help reduce fatty deposits in blood vessels while improving metabolism. Researchers found a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels in those who consumed apple cider vinegar. They also noticed a significant increase in HDL cholesterol, which is the good type that our body needs. So in general, apple cider vinegar helps keep the good fats, gets rid of the bad fats, and can significantly improve the lipid profile of those who consume this powerful ingredient. Not to mention, apple cider vinegar can provide several other impressive health benefits as well. Some examples include: it can help with weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, help with digestion, promote healthy skin and hair, boost energy levels, boost your immune system, prevent muscle cramps, and reduce cold symptoms. We've talked more about these benefits in a separate video here on our channel. But real quick, if you don't mind, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Hopefully what you learned in this video was useful, and it goes to show just how beneficial apple cider vinegar can be when it comes to improving your overall health. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you want to dive even deeper, we do have a full guide on our website. I'll drop a link to it right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.